Hey there! Are you in need of an oil change? It's an important part of keeping your vehicle running smoothly. In this script, I'll go over why oil changes are necessary and what you can expect from your appointment. First off, oil plays a crucial role in engine operation. It lubricates moving parts and prevents them from rubbing against each other, which could cause permanent damage. Without oil, your engine would become extremely hot and cause seizure-like conditions. So, how often should you have your oil changed? The recommended interval depends on your vehicle's make and model, as well as your driving habits. Most car manufacturers recommend changing your oil every 0 to 5,000 miles, although this can vary depending on your driving conditions. During an oil change, your mechanic will drain your current oil and replace it with fresh oil. They will also check your engine's fluids and perform any necessary maintenance or repairs. In addition to the benefits of better engine performance, having your oil changed regularly can also help prevent costly repairs down the line. Old oil can become contaminated with dirt and debris, which can cause serious damage to your engine over time. So, in summary, having your oil changed is important for keeping your vehicle running smoothly and preventing costly repairs down the line. Book your next oil change appointment with confidence and let your mechanic get your engine running like new.